In a small village lived a little girl named Lily. One day, while exploring, she stumbled upon a neglected garden filled with wilting flowers and sad plants. I can't let this magical garden fade away. I'll be its guardian and bring back the joy it once had. Lily dedicated herself to the garden. She watered the plants, sang sweet melodies, and even invited friendly insects to make it a lively and magical place once more. Lily's kindness worked wonders. The garden transformed into a magical haven, with flowers glowing in vibrant colors and butterflies dancing in the air.